People don't change. They just reveal who they really are when they no longer need you. Think about that for a second. Someone who once cared about you deeply, someone who said, "I'll always be there," now acts like you don't even exist. So what happened? Did they change? Or did you finally see the truth?
Let me tell you something you've probably experienced.
There was someone in your life who used to text you every day. Good morning, good night. Long conversations, endless attention. You felt important, you felt valued. And then one day, the replies got shorter, the effort disappeared, and eventually, silence. No explanation, no closure, just distance. And you sat there wondering, what did I do wrong? But here's the real question. Did you actually do something wrong? Or did your role in their life simply expire? Because most people don't leave when you hurt them. They leave when they no longer need you. Let that sink in. Here's the truth nobody likes to accept. People are not loyal to you. They are loyal to what you provide. Attention, validation, support, solutions. As long as you give these things, they stay. But the moment you stop, you become replaceable, not because you're worthless, but because someone else can now give what you used to give. Think about friendships, the friend who always calls you when they need advice, but disappears when you need help. Think about relationships, someone who loves you when you give them attention, but pulls away when you focus on yourself. Think about work. People respect you when you're useful, but ignore you when you're not. Different situations, same pattern. Value determines connection. This isn't just behavior, it's psychology. The human brain is wired for survival. It constantly asks one question: what benefits me the most? And based on that, it decides who to keep and who to let go. It's not always intentional. Most people don't even realize they're doing it, but their actions always reveal the truth. And now, the uncomfortable truth. You do this too. You give more attention to people who make you feel good. You distance yourself from people who drain your energy. You choose convenience over loyalty. So this isn't about bad people. This is about human nature. Once you understand this, everything changes. You stop chasing people. You stop begging for attention. You stop expecting loyalty from people who only value convenience. Instead, you start observing. You start understanding. You stop playing the game smarter. Because here's the real power. When you increase your value, people come back. But this time, you see them clearly. And you choose differently. Remember this. People don't leave because they stopped caring. They leave because something else mattered more. And once you understand this, you stop getting hurt and you start seeing people for who they really are. If this opened your eyes, follow for more psychological truths. Because the more you understand people, the harder it becomes for them to control you.